Hello groovers, today Mojosurf and our team are all here at the local orphanage in Denpasar. We found an orphanage that was in much need of repairs, resources, education. They didn't have enough money to go to school, so now we're paying for their schooling.
We're out here with all the kids from the orphanage and this is their first time hitting the waves. Let's go, Mojo style!
Like some of them have had really tough experiences. It's just really great to see them forget all that and just have a great time on the beach. Actually here to take these kids through life and have a career with Mojosurf if they want it or reach their other dreams.
We have successfully cleaned up this much trash. Come get your hands dirty, come help the planet, and together we can make a difference. Donate to the cause and keep Bali clean for our future generations to enjoy.
Banyak plastik, bagus!